making, grinding down the battery hold down for the 53 Ford. The reason why we're doing that, we wanted to fit a Group 34 red top off from the battery and fit it snug so it holds it down. Now this is going underneath the chassis, so it's going to be underneath the floor pan as the way the factory did it, but we want to make sure it's really nice and secure. So we made a duplicate bracket as this one. Now we're going to weld this one that we fabricated and put it onto there. Okay, we're going to plug weld this new bracket that we fabricated into place on the battery box. Alrighty. So we ended up finishing out the battery box and painting it. So that's out of the way now, just waiting for this to cure out. And then after it cures, we'll put it on the truck. Got a battery on order with Summit Racing. It'll be good to go to power up the electrical system in the 53 Ford. That's where the battery box is going. You can see we put riv nuts in there. We have 4 riv nuts, and then at the top we tapped it. The frame is pretty darn thick, so we can actually bolt into it. It's got some meat to it. So it's tapped and ready to go. I'll put a little primer on that before we put it all together, and we'll Loctite this battery tray. Once it gets cured, we're going to put it in for the final time. So that'll be really nice. Exhaust system is coming out really, really well. We are getting ready to final weld the change here, and then we have the clamps are done, and then we have hangers up in here now. The X pipe, the O2 sensor bung is in now, and we're doing pretty good. Of course, we are covered, so we don't trade any paint, and we have jack stands underneath this just to hold the right height. So the pipe is going to come right out of the muffler, up over the axle, and then come down around here, and then we're going to curve pretty sharp here out the rear bumper area. And we got to make sure we clear, because we're going to have a big tire here. Okay, everybody, I wanted to show you all what was going on in the shop. Thank you for checking in, subscribing, all the fun stuff. We will get more content very, very soon out of this tiny little shop we call Classic Car Creations. Everybody, thanks so much. Take care. See you soon.